Good afternoon to you all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, first of all, you take your textbooks in your hand. So all of you, please take your textbooks in your hand. Either you sit in front of the system or take your mobile phones in your hand. Please all of you take your textbooks. So have you all taken? Yes. So welcome to your today's online class. So now we are studying about which chapter? Chapter 5. So what's the chapter name? Python, variables and operators. Isn't it? So in this chapter, so yesterday what I have taught, so important 5 more questions we are studying now. Isn't it? So what's the important 5 more questions you are studying? Tokens. So in tokens, so last class I just taught about operators in Python. So what are the operators you have studied yesterday? What are the operators you have studied? Arithmetic operators and relational and comparative operators. So two types of operators you have studied. Isn't it? Yes. What's the use of arithmetic operator? So what's the use of arithmetic operator? So arithmetic operator is used to perform arithmetic calculations. What do you mean by arithmetic calculations? Arithmetic calculations is nothing but mathematical calculations. What are the calculations? Addition, subtraction, division, modulus operator, floor division, isn't it? So these are the operators you have studied in arithmetic operators. So next is second type of operators you have studied about relational operator. So what do you mean by relational operator? So name itself having relational. So some kinds of relational. Some kind of relations between two operands. So what are the relational operators you have studied? Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, isn't it? Yes. These are the things you have studied in relational operators with examples. Okay. So today we are going to study about third operator called logical operators. Okay. So what's the third operator? Logical operator. So what's the use of this logical operator? So already you might have studied about logic gates in 11th standard 2nd chapter. Isn't it? Logic gates whether you have studied or not. So how many logic gates you have studied? AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, XOR, XNOR, isn't it? So likewise lot of logic gates you have studied. Same thing only. So this logical operator is mainly used to perform logical calculations. Otherwise, logical operations in given expression. Okay. Some expressions you are giving. So in that expression, this logical operator will perform some logical calculations. Okay. So in this, there are three logical operators we are using. So many logical operators are there. Among the three logical operators we are using. Understand? So what are the three logical operators means? And, or, not. Okay. So what are the three logical operators? And, or, not. Okay. So listen. One example I have given. In your book also the same example they will give. Okay. So look at your example in your book. Listen carefully. So in this example, what's the value of A? 97. What's the value of B? 35. So we are going to calculate. So we are going to compare by using which operator? Logical operators. Okay. So listen. What's the first logical operator? OR. What's the use of this OR operator means? So see the two conditions they are given. Okay. So two conditions. If two conditions are there means among any one condition is true means the answer you will get as a true. Okay. Understand? What's the use of OR operator? So two conditions you are giving. Among the two conditions, this OR operator will check any one condition becomes true means also the answer you will get as a true. Understand? So listen. What are the conditions that they are given? A greater than B. Substitute the value of A here. What the value? 97. What's the value of B? 35. 97 greater than 35. Whether 97 greater than 35? Yes. Condition true. Or. So, A double equal to B. 97 double equal to 35. Both 97 and 35 are equal? No. So, but one condition satisfy the rule. Isn't it? What's the A greater than B? That's true only. So, what's the answer you will get? Any one condition true means also you will get the answer as a true. Understand now? Yes. Next one. AND operator. So what's the difference between OR operator and AND operator means? So in AND operator, both the condition becomes true means only you will get the answer as a true. So any one conditions or false means also you will get the answer as a false. Understand? What's the difference between OR and AND? OR means any one condition true means also answer you will get as a true. But in AND operator, any one condition false means also the answer you will get as a false. Understand? See this example. Same example. This condition true. A greater than B. 97 greater than 35. True. But A double equal to B. Whether 97 equals to 35? No. So the condition fails. So the answer you will get false. Any one condition false means also the answer you will get is a false. Understand? So next thing, not. Not means just opposite of true. Okay. For example, one condition becomes true. Not means the just opposite. Listen, see this example. A greater than B. 97 greater than 35. Condition true. But not means not true. Just opposite. Understand? So three kinds of operators you have studied in logical operator. So in this slide, they are given one example. Same example they are given in your textbook also. Okay. So listen. So in the sample code, what's this line? So the line starts with hash symbol is called which line? Command line. So while you are running this program, whether the interrupter will take this line to execute. Whether this line, while you are running the program, the interrupter will take this line for execution. No. Why? Command lines for only your understanding purpose. Okay. The same program you have studied in comparative and relational operators also. Same thing only. Listen. First I am giving A equal to int input enter value of A. Which function? Which kind of function? Input of function. So in this input of function I am going to enter the value of A. Next B. Next I am going to enter the value of B. So while you are running the program in output screen, which line will you will get as the first line? This one. Enter the value of A. Listen. Small letter A I am assigning this input of function. So what's the next line means? So I am going to assign the value of capital letter A to small letter A. Why? Because the value I have entered here. So the value of capital letter A I need to assign to the small letter A. Understand? So next line. So this is wrong. In book also they have mentioned as a small letter B means please change this small letter B to capital letter B. Understand? So you need to change this small letter B to capital letter B. Understand? So you are going to assign the capital letter B, the value of capital letter B to small letter b. Understand? So whatever value you are entering here, that value will be assigned to small letter A and that value will be assigned to B, small letter B. Understand? Yes. Next you need to print the particular things. So what's this one? So in print whatever you are given in the print of function, that you will get a say that you will get a say output in the output screen. So listen. So in printf function, don't get confused with this line and this one. So before this comma symbol, whatever they have given us just a sentence, just like a sentence or comments. The same thing they are displayed in output. See this output, then only you will understand. The a greater than b or a double equal to b. See a greater than b or a double equal to b. Then a greater than b and a double equal to b. Then not. Up to this, just like a comments or just like some statements they have given. So here only you are going to calculate or compare. So here listen, a greater than b or a, three operators you are given. See now you are running the program. So first which line you will get the output? Enter the value of a. So they have entered the value as which one? 50. Next, enter the value for b. Next the value become 40. Now I am giving the entering the value as a 40. So what's the next step? The value of a will be assigned to small letter a. So value of a will be 50. The value of the here capital letter b. Okay, capital letter b equal to 40. Understand? So now check. A greater than b or a double equal to b. So a greater than b condition true. Or operator means any one condition true means also you will get the answer as a true. Then and operator. Both the condition becomes true means only you will get the answer as true. Otherwise false. So condition. So both the condition not satisfied. So answer false. Then not. Whether a greater than b is true. But not. Not means false. Understand? So each heading you should write the definition of that one, then the tabular column, then example. Okay? Very, very important question. So next operator is assignment operator. Okay? The same thing you have studied in first chapter also. First chapter or third chapter. Third chapter I think it's so. Mapping. Isn't it? Mapping you have studied. Same only. So what's the meaning of assignment operator? Okay? So which symbol is used for this assignment operator? Okay, so what symbol they are using for this assignment operator means equal to. Okay, so what's the symbol they are using for assignment operators? Equal to. Sometimes they will ask this for one more question. Equal to is a symbol assignment operator to assign values to the variable. What's the use of that one? What's the meaning of that one? You are going to assign some values to variable. Understand? See this next line, then you will get understand. Let a equal to 5. So this is the assignment operator equal to. I am going to assign the value 5 to the variable a. So what's the variable here? A. What's the value here? 5. So I am going to this assign value 5 to the variable a. Isn't it? Next line. B equal to 10. So I am going to assign the value 10 to the variable b. Understand? Yes. The same thing I have given in another format. The same meaning will be same only. A comma b equal to 5 comma 10. What's the meaning of this one? So the right side what are the values are there. These values they are going to assign the variables to this left side. That means right side what are the things you are given that you will assign this to left side. Understand? So what's the symbol used for assignment operator? Equal to. So what's the two examples they have given? A equal to 5, b equal to 5. This also correct. And a comma b equal to 5 comma 10. Both represent the same meaning only. Okay. So in this assignment operators, among this what's a common operator? Equal to. So this according to this equal to, along with this equal to, we have more symbols are there. Okay, along with equal to, lot of symbols we are using for this assignment operators. What are the symbols you are using for assignment operators means plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, this slash divide equal to, modulus equal to, exponent equal to, floor equal to. Okay. These are the symbols available for assignment operators. Understand? So the same example they have given in your book. Just one time read this one. So I'll explain this in a detail in next page. Okay, listen. So what's the use of equal to? Assign right side operand to left variable. What's the use of equal to? That means x equal to 10 means this right side value 10 will assign the variable x. B equal to computer. The computer will be assigned to the variable b. Understand? Next. Plus equal to. So added and assigned back the result to left operator. Okay. So listen. X plus 20 means what's the meaning? Means x equal to x plus 20. What's the meaning of x plus equal to? One more time it will add and it will store the answer. Listen. What's the meaning of x plus equal to 20? That means x plus 20. Likewise, minus equal to means the same thing. Okay, by reading itself you can understand. X minus equal to 5 means x equal to x minus 5. This and all you should study. So all the tabular columns are very very important. Mostly they will ask 2 mark questions or 3 mark questions from here. Okay, so please don't skip the tabular column. Understand and study. So x minus equal to 5 means x equal to x minus 5. Likewise, x star equal to 5 means x equal to, so the same thing. I like how this answer you are getting. Okay, they are given no 25, 30, 125, 6. How you are getting the answer I'll explain. Okay. So these calculations they are not given in your book. Please note it down. These calculations. So take a book. So near to that assignment operator, this you can note it down. Okay. So note it down. These are the calculations. So is it visible for you? Yes. So what's the first operator? Plus equal to. So what's the first operator? Plus equal to. What's the meaning of that plus equal to? Plus equal to means, so added and assigned back the result to left operator. That means, so it will add one time and will store the result back to that variable. So listen, plus equal to. In your example book also they have given, first they have assumed the value x equal to 10. So please note it down. So in your book they have given the value x equal to 10. So what operator we are going to perform? Plus equal to. Okay. So they are given plus equal to 20. What's the meaning of x plus equal to 20? X plus equal to 20 means x plus 20. Understand? Plus equal to what's the meaning? That means you are added and you are storing back the result to the variable x. So listen, x plus equal to 20 means x plus 20. So what's the value of x they have given? 10. 10 plus 20. What's the answer you will get? 30. Understand? Please write near to that tab near to the tabular column. You note it down. Okay. Have you all noted? Have you all written? So value of x they have given us a 10. So first operator x plus equal to. What's the meaning of x plus equal to? That means small x plus 20. What's the value of small x? 10. 10 plus 20. The answer you get is a 30. Now what's the value of x? 30. Understand? Yes. Next one. Minus equal to. The same thing. Minus equal to means x minus 5. So what's the last value of x you will get? You are getting the last value of x as a 30. So 30 minus 5. 30. What's the value of 30 minus 5? 25. So note it down. Right near to the tabular column. So what's the meaning of x minus equal to 5? That means x equal to x minus 5. So last value. So here you need to take the values you get at the last. So what's the value of x at the last? You will get 30. So 30 minus 5 means 25. Have you all written? Yes. Next, star equal to. So star equal to means x star equal to 5 they have given. So this and all they will ask for 2 more questions. So only this is not a book back answers. So only I am explaining at separate. So please write near to your book or take a bit of paper and write it and paste. So likewise, they will give some other numbers and ask you to calculate. So please listen, okay. So x star equal to 5. What's the meaning? X into 5. Okay, x plus means x plus equal to 5. X minus means x minus equal to 5. Likewise, x star equal to 5 means x star 5. So what's the value you will get? This is not as 25, 5, okay. So x star 5. What's the value of x last you will get? Last answer you got as 25. What's the value of x you got? 25. 25 into 5. What's the answer? 25 into 5 is 125. So what's the value you are getting? So in your book, the tabular column, they have given this answer alone. These calculations and all, they are not given there. So only I am giving this calculations as a separate. Please note it down. So x equal to x star equal to 5 means x equal to x star 5. That's the what's the last answer? Last answer is 25. So 25 into 5 equal to 125. Have you all written? Yes. So next operator is slash equal to. What do you mean by slash? Divide. So x slash equal to 2. One example they have given. X slash equal to 2. What's the meaning of x slash equal to 2? X divided by 2. Okay. X slash equal to 2 means x divided by 2. So what's the value of x you will get at the last? What's the value of x? 125. So 125 divided by 2. So cut. For 2 table, 62.5. So what's the answer you got is 62.5. Understand? Have you all written? X slash 2 means the operator slash equal to x divided by 2. The value of x you got at the last test 125. So dividing that value by 2, the answer you get is 62.5. Yes, next one, modulus operator. Modulus operator, x modulus 3. So what's the meaning? X equal to x modulus 3. So what's the answer you will get at the last? So what's the value of x you got at the last? 62.5. So 62.5, this one. What? Percentage 3. Okay, not divided. Percentage, okay. So 62.5, what's the value? Substitute here, 62.5. So this modulus operator 3. So you should divide the 62.5, divide with value 3, third. Divide 62.5 by 3. So divide it. So while you are dividing, modulus operator means always you should write remainder as the answer. Okay. So always you should write the remainder as the answer. Already I explained this one in assignment that comparative operators. So understand. So what's the answer you are getting? 2.5 as a remainder. So that's the answer. Floor division means that's the difference between modulus and floor. Floor division means in floor division you should write quotient as an answer. But in modulus operator you should write remainder as an answer. Okay. Yes. So near you write inside the bracket you write. Then only you will get understand. While I am explaining you will get understand. After 1 or 2 months if you are studying you will get confused how this answer I got it. Okay. So place inside the bracket you write it. Then you never get forget. Then this one exponent. Exponent, that means double star equal to. So what's the meaning of double star equal to? That means x double star into 2. So what's the value of x you got at last? 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.5. What's the value of 2.5 multiply it? Answer will get us a 62.5. Understand? 25 into 25. One's answer 62.5. Understand? Yes, next one is floor division. So, slash equal to. What's the meaning? X slash equal to. Okay, x slash equal to. So, what cell of x you got at the last? 62.5. Divide the 62.5 with 3. Divide this value. 62.5 divided by 3. Divide it. So, 3 2s are 6. Isn't it? 3 2s are 6. So, what's the remainder you will get? Remainder 2.5, quotient 3. Sorry, quotient 2. 2.0 you will get, and remainder you will get as a 2.5. But floor division operator means always you should write the quotient as an answer. Understand? Have you all written? So please note it down near to the tabular column or in a paper. Note it down. Very, very important this one. Okay? Now you read this tabular column. You will get understand. So once you read, because in your book they have given only this tabular column and this explanation, but the calculations they are not giving. So you will get confused how this answer we are getting. Okay, for that only I will give that. Understand? Yes. So the same thing they are given in program. Okay, same thing they are explaining in the program. So once you read itself you can understand. So what's the first one? So here how many variables I am giving as an input? Only one variable. Because I am performing the calculation with one variable called x. Isn't it? So only one variable enough. So what's the first input variable I am giving? X. In this variable x I am giving the input as int input and type a value of x. So here only I am, otherwise you write enter the value of x. Anything. Okay. Next, what's the step? Next one, I am going to assign the capital letter x to small letter x. So each and every program, so you relate it and study. Then you will get understand. Okay, first step you need to give input. So input you are giving any one variable means. Next thing you need to assign this variable to this input variable. Okay, so capital letter x equal to small letter x. Next what you need to do? The XII. That means the value you need to print, no? That one. So what's the first one? First operator you have studied equal to operator. So the x equal to what value you are giving, that value will assign to the variable x. Next, x plus equal to 20. What are the things I explained at the last slide? The same calculation they have given here. Okay, x plus equal to 20. So you should print the so the x plus equal to 20 means the calculation. The answer you will get here. Then x minus equal to 5. Print the x minus 5. That calculation answer you will get here. Then x star 5. Likewise. So on time you read it, then you will get understand. Read it. So you study the tabular column. You understand and study the tabular column means this program no need to study or by God. By your own you can write. The same thing. What's the thing means? Inside the print of you should write this one. The x minus 5. The x plus equal to 20. X modulus 3. The x star 2. See in output screen, while you are running the program in output, which line you will get as output at first? First you will get type a value of x, isn't it? So I am typing the value of x as 10. So what's the next line? I am assigning the value of this small letter x to this one. So capital letter x equal to 10. So next line, what you will get? Print the XII. The XII, what's value of x now? Small letter x. What's value small letter x? I am assigning 10. See small letter x I am assigning to capital letter x, no? Value of 10. Next one, x plus equal to 20. What's the meaning of x plus equal to 20? X equal to x plus 20. So what's the value 10 plus 20? 30. X minus 5. So 30 minus 5, 25. X star equal to 5. So all the lines you are given in print. X star equal to 5 means 25 into 5, 125. Then x divided by 2, 125 divided by 2. Answer is 62.5. X modulus 3 divide 62.5 divided by 3. The remainder you need to write as an answer. X is double star equal to 2. That means square. 25 into 25. 6.25. Next, x floor division equal to 3. So divide it by with 3 and write the quotient as an answer. Understand? Yes. Next operator is a conditional operator. Okay. So name itself having condition. So what do you mean by condition? Condition means some rules, isn't it? So this condition operator is also used to check whether the condition becomes true or false. Okay. So what's the use of condition operator? So it will also evaluate or give the answer as a true or false by evaluating some expressions. Okay. So this conditional operator is used to evaluate the expressions and it will give the answer as either true or false. Okay. So in 11th standard C++ program, you might have studied. If condition, then else if else statement. Isn't it? If else statement you have studied, are you remembering? If, then open brace, some condition, then else, then open brace, you will write something. What's the meaning of that one? If the condition true means which block will execute? If block. Either the condition false means else block will execute. That if else statement, you are giving how many steps? First if, open brace, you should write some statement. Else, open brace, you should write some statement. So, instead of you are writing in multi-line, that is called multi-line. Okay. Instead of you are writing in many lines, using this conditional operator, you can check that condition within a single line. That's the main advantage of conditional operator. Okay. So instead of you are checking the conditions in multiple lines, that means like if else statement, multi-line if else statement. So you can able to check the conditions in a single line. Okay. So see, listen, this is a syntax. So variable name, syntax you should write. Okay. Syntax, variable name equal to true if text expression, else on false. So this you should study. Variable name, either the first one condition true if the expression you are checking, else the false condition. Understand? Next slide. Study the example, then only you will get to understand. So listen. See, this example is very, very, very important. Okay. So this example is very, very important. Listen carefully. So likewise, they will give some other numbers and ask for one more question. Okay. Last year also they asked like this. So they have given some other number, but you will get confused. If you listen carefully means only you can able to write the one more question answer. Okay. So listen. So min equal to 50. So compare to the syntax and you tell what's the syntax? Variable equal to, what's the syntax? Variable name equal to on true. What's the variable name equal to on true if text expression false. Okay. So and also an important one more question. Condition, also other name of conditional operator means ternary operator. Okay. This is also very, very important question. What's the other name of conditional operator? Other name of conditional operator is ternary operator. Okay. So listen this example. Listen carefully. Min equal to 50. That means minimum. Minimum I have given the value is 50. Min equal to 50. If condition 49 less than 50. Listen. Else 70. Listen. Minimum, what's the minimum value I have given? 50. Minimum value is 50. But if 49 less than 50. Whether this 49 is less than 50? Whether 49 is less than 50 or not? Yes. This condition true. Else. So 70. Whether this block will execute. Else condition. If the condition satisfied here means whether this block will execute? No. Only true block will execute. If the condition true means what's answer you will get? Min equal to 50. Understand? Once more I am telling. So my condition is minimum equal to 50. For that I am checking first condition. If 49 less than 50. 49 is less than 50. 50 or not 49? Yes, condition true. So this block won't get execute. So what's the answer I will get? Minimum equal to 50. Understand? Next line, see. The same question, 49 greater than 50. I got given the statement minimum equal to 50. But if 49 greater than 50, whether 49 is greater than 50? No. So condition false. So else, which block will execute? Else. What's the answer I will get? 70. Understand? So in second example, what's this one? Minimum value 50. By condition is 49 greater than, whether 49 greater than 50? No. So this condition false. So what's the answer? Else 70. So which block will execute? This block will execute. So what's the answer I will get? 70. Understand? Yes. So listen carefully, understand and study. Like this they will ask many one word question. So if you thorough means only you can able to write the one word questions. Okay. So the same thing they have given in program. So what's this one? Command line. Comments they have given. So this is no need to write. A comma B. Two values they have given in program. What's the value of A now? 30. What's the value of B now? 20. So next time condition is minimum equal to A. So what's the minimum equal to A? For that only they have given. See, copy the value of A in minimum. If A greater than B, else copy B. Same one. See, what's the value? Minimum, substitute the values. Minimum equal to A. A means 30. If, what's the condition? A greater than, that means 30 less than 20. Which condition? A, substitute here, 30 less than 20, else 20. Listen, minimum equal to A. What's the value? 30. Minimum value is 30. 30 less than 20. Whether 30 less than 20? 30 less than 20. Whether condition true this one? No. So, which block will execute this? Else B. What's the value of B now? 20. So, what's the answer you will get? So, in print off screen, they are giving in print statement, minimum of A and B is min. So, what's the min value you will get? 20. Understand? Substitute here. So, in this condition false. 30 less than 20 is wrong. False. So, else block will execute. So, which answer you will get? The value of B as 20. So, the same thing in C program, C++, you are right. What you will write? A minimum equal to A. Then open brace. If condition, open brace. Then statement, else, open brace and close brace. So, to avoid that multi-line if-else statement, you are checking that in a single line itself. That's the use of conditional operator. So, what's the other name of conditional operator? Ternary operator. Understand? Yes. Next thing is delimiters. Okay. So, what do you mean by delimiters? Means some symbols. Okay. Combination of many symbols you are using in expressions. That means many calculations, many equations you will use, isn't it? So, in equations or codings or comparisons or anything. So, many kinds of symbols. That means group of symbols or combinations of symbols. Symbols you are used for what expressions, list, dictionary, strings. These are the symbols you are using for what expressions or equations or anything. That is called as delimiters. Okay. What do you mean by delimiters? The combination or sequence of combination of symbols used for the calculations or expressions or in list or dictionaries or strings. That is called as delimiters. Understand? So, these are the example symbol. So, this is important 2 mark question. So, if they ask for 2 mark or 3 mark means first you should write this definition. Then among this 5 or 6 symbols. Which one is easy for you to remember? That symbols you should write. Okay. Next thing is literals. Okay. So, this everything you have studied in 11th standard, the second volume book, first chapter itself, isn't it? So, if you study thorough in 11th standard means it is very easy for you. So, what do you mean by literals? Okay. So, literals is nothing but this is some raw data. Some data you are giving in variable or constant. Okay. This is some kind of data you are giving in variable or constant. Okay. It's a literals is nothing but, so in program, consider C++ program. C++ program itself. What you will give? What are the data type? Int, float, character, string, boolean. Same only. Okay. So, some raw data you are giving in A equal to 1. That means int. A equal to computer. String. A equal to true or false. That is Boolean. Okay. The some raw data you are giving in variable or constant. That is called as what? Literals. Understand? So in Python, there are many kinds of literals are there. There are 3 types they are given in a book. Okay. So in Python, what are the types of literals? 3. What are they? Numeric, string and Boolean. Understand? So what are the types of literals used for in Python? 3. What are they? Numeric, string and Boolean. Understand? First one is numeric literals. Okay. So numeric literal means name itself having numbers. Okay. Numbers or digits. So numeric literals always represents what? Digits. So these digits are immutable. What do you mean immutable? You can't able to change. That means whether for example x equal to 5. Whether that x equal to 5, int x equal to 5. That is correct only, no? Isn't it? Integer. Whether I can give int x equal to 5.8. Whether that is correct? No. Because which data type that one? Float. Float data type means I need to give us a float. Whether integer data type, I can give us integer x equal to 5. That means float x equal to 5. That's correct? No. That is digits are immutable and unchangeable. The correct format only you should give. So here this numeric literals are belong to 3 types. Okay. So how many types the numeric literals are? 3. What are they? Integer, float and complex. So what are the types of numeric literals? Integer, then float and complex. Okay. So listen. For that one example program they have given. Listen. This is example program they have given to illustrate numeric list. Okay. Listen carefully. So A equal to they have given 0B 10B. That means ones and zeros. Ones and zeros means what's that one? Binary number. That is called as binary literals. Okay. The value of A is ones and 0. 1, 0. So only they are given binary literals. Next one. B equal to 100. That normal value. That is called as decimal. Normal numbers we are calling as what? Decimal. Decimal number. So decimal literal. Then the values as a starting with O. O means we are calling as an octal literal. Octal values. Okay. The value starts with O means that value is called which one? Octal value. That is octal literal. Okay. Then the value starts with OX. OX means we will call as hexadecimal. This and all you should study. This and all already you have studied. One more time I will explain. Okay. Those 4 values I am giving. So the values with ones and zeros means binary literals. The normal values we are calling as a decimal. Then the value starts with O means octal. OX means hexadecimal. Okay. So next I am going to print this variables. What are the A, B, C and D? So integer literals. What you will get? Value of A, B, C and D. Okay. So next line. First I am going to calculate float. Float. Float means what? Point numbers. Isn't it? Yes. So float 1. First variable. What's the first variable? 10.5. So I am giving first variable as a first value as a 10.5. Second value is a 15.E2. That means in exponent form. 15.E2. So next I am printing. First I am printing integers. Next I am printing float. So what are in float? What are the variables I have given? Float 1 and float 2. So I need to print float 1 comma float 2. Understand? Next thing. Complex literal. So what's a complex? So this is a complex format. Isn't it? 1 plus 3.14j. Imaginary part as well as real part. So print complex literals. So complex literals I am giving the value in which variable? X. Isn't it? So print x equal. First I need to print x imaginary part. So okay. So imagine x dot imaginary part of. Okay. X dot imaginary part. Then real part. That means x dot real part of. Understand the program? First I am printing the integers. So A, that means integers, 3 values. Then float. For float, 2 variables I have given. Float 1, float 2. So I am in printer statement, I am giving float 1 comma float 2. Then complex. I am assigning complex value as a x. So how many the parts are there in complex? Real part as well as imaginary. So imaginary, first I am assigning this x to this x. Then imaginary part means this x dot imaginary part, comma real part means x dot real part of. Understand? So what output you will get? See, integer literals. Integer means a comma b comma c. So what are the variables? First one 10, 100. Then this one, this it will convert into integers c and d. That answer. Okay. Then float literal. See what's the value of float first? Float 1 comma float 2. 10.5 comma e2 means 2 zeros. That means 2 points you should shift. That means 150.0. Understand how you will get 150.0? E2. 2 points you should shift. Then see, print x equal to x. What's the value of x equal to x? 1 comma, that means 3.1 comma. Okay, 1 comma 3.14. Then imaginary part. What's the imaginary part here? 3.14. So 3.14. What's the real part here? X equal to 1.0. I understand. So today we have studied a lot of operators and all the operators. What are the operators today you have studied? Assignment operators you have studied. Then what are the operators you have studied? Comparative operators, all the operators you should study thorough. So immediately you should study and write. So this is types of operators question. Today you should study and write. That's the homework for you. Please study all the portion. Don't skip anything. Very, very important. So thank you students. Remaining you can continue in the next class. Thank you.